What if your money could work for you, even while you sleep? Welcome to Smart Wealth USA. In this video, you'll learn what passive income really is, how it is different from active income, and 7 smart ways Americans use it to build long-term wealth. First, let's understand what passive income actually means. Passive income is money you earn with little or no daily effort after the initial setup. It allows you to make money even when you are not actively working. Now let's compare active income and passive income. Active income comes from a job or business where you must work to get paid. When you stop working, the income stops. Passive income works differently. It continues to generate money over time, even when you are not directly involved. Now that you understand the difference, here are 7 realistic passive income ideas commonly used in the United States. The first is dividend stocks. Dividend stocks pay you money regularly just for owning shares in a company. The second is rental real estate. Rental properties can generate monthly income, while also increasing in value over time. The third is index funds and ETFs. These allow you to invest in the market with low effort and lower risk. The fourth is digital products. Online courses, ebooks, and templates can earn money repeatedly after they are created. The fifth is affiliate marketing. This allows you to recommend useful products and earn a commission from each sale. The sixth is high-yield savings accounts. They offer a simple way to earn interest on money you already have. The seventh is automated online businesses. These systems can generate income with minimal daily involvement once set up properly. Now let's talk about a common mistake many beginners make. Many people expect passive income to be fast and effortless. In reality, most passive income streams require time, patience, and consistency before they produce results. To summarize, passive income is not a shortcut to wealth, but when built correctly, it can become a powerful long-term strategy. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Smart Wealth USA and start building your financial future today.